Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your Kapitana Vlogger at Forestland Memorial Park. Welcome to the mini park. Swing swing with a butterfly. Yeah. Swimming swing 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 swing. Nice view guys. Overlooking sa mga nais pong makahabol sa ating chaplet guys. Ayan ang chaplet natin, mga mausoleo natin. Mag-invest na kayo guys, hurry up guys, invest na. Ito po yung gumamela, yan, tapos kamya A and V, tapos yan ang mausoleo ng ating Acacia chaplet. Ayan, Azucena, E and B, Roselle, E and B. Yan guys. Ang ganda dito guys. Mag-invest na kayo habang meron pa. Kuha na kayo ng 10 lote guys. Magka-price increase na naman tayo guys. Bye bye.